We will start with rope skipping, which is one of the best exercise to warm up whole body, and it's also help in weight loss. So do it for 30 seconds. Next exercise is jumping jacks. This is the best exercise to heat up your entire body, and it's also helpful in opening the body muscles. Do it for 30 seconds.
If she let me get on it, yeah. So come here, baby, listen close, hold me tight, don't let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life, but I got
so now you have to do burpees exercise, which is the best cardio and warm-up exercise. You have to do it for 30 seconds, and you can do it with or without push-ups as you can.
Don't try to change my mind, baby, please don't stay the night. Right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night.
Now you have to do close body push-ups up to 25 seconds.
I'm done being polite. Oh, don't stay the night. She'll always find a way around it. I thought she'd be gone, but when I woke up in the morning, she was laying beside me. She know when she wanted. I can never turn her down. Oh, I probably should have kicked her out by now, but you're the finest of them all. Made me lose my self-control. All I wanna do.
In the next exercise, you have to do lunges for 20 seconds with both of your legs.
That's the reason I'ma let you go, 'cause you and I both know that we can't keep it quiet. So please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind. Please don't stay the night. Almost do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you by my side. Just don't stay the night. Almost do what's right. I'm done being polite. Oh, don't stay the night.
Now you have to do core cycling. This will help in increasing your core strength and reducing belly fat. So do it for 25 seconds.
She got a body like a goddess, and she talks so sweet. It's like I can't believe I'm the one that she wanted. And if I'm really being honest, I know I could be everything she needs.
Repeat all these exercises for 3 times every day. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.
Let me go. Girl, you know that I'ma want you all my life, but I got so much left to do, except for falling in love with you. So I'ma let you keep me up another time, but please don't.